The song is called Pale Justice.
Like your face, just like your mind, a complete lack of desire. With eyes that are blind, this world has become a cheap imitation of itself. The intangible, the undiscovered, I can no longer trust. Pale justice is all this world has. Pale justice is all the strength they can muster. Pale justice what I despise when war criminals get celebrated. Pale justice is all that thrives. So I will, before I die, become vengeance. So the mind will rise, I will raise truth by defeating the lie. When murderers go free, how can you deny? Pale justice is all this world has. Pale justice is all the strength they can muster. Pale justice is all that they hide. The heart that has died from the inside. The people that break the law are the ones that make the law. When the ones that follow the rules are not the ones who create the rules. When a man that kills many is a hero, and a man that kills one is a monster. When a select few live above the law, who is watching the watcher? You no longer earn, you extort. You no longer pay, you steal. Is this what you have to do to survive? The intangible, the unthinkable, the disease spreads. When con men get re-elected and the brain gets replaced by machines, they convince the weak that this is normal. It's not, it never will be. Not as long as I rely on the truth that was lost from your mind.